ERP Global Training, the best training institution for SAP all modules. Here, why ERP Global Training? Is your question means just in one sentence I want to say that it's 100% certification oriented program and 100% real-time oriented training by corporate trainers, real-time employees. Learn success factor from industry experts and become a master consultant in SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central with time off and time management with certification oriented program. Build your career with SuccessFactors Cloud HR HCM and no prior coding knowledge is required for this. For SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central, demo date has declared on 23rd May at 8 p.m. IST. Course duration, it's 70 working days. Daily 1 hour class duration with class recorded videos along with server access. Accessible 24/7. Flexible classes with 100% placement assistance. Our services. First thing, it's 100% real-time oriented program. FAQs, real-time scenarios, real-time assignment. For more details, at any time we are ready to respond. Please call us to 8639658059. Thank you. Better luck.